Hey everybody, day 5. It's awesome. I'm so glad that you have made it this far, and I hope you're doing well. There's a lot of you I haven't heard from, so I would love you to check in with me via email if you're not a Facebook person. I care and I want to hear from you. I want to get to know you. So send me some what's going well and what's not going so well. Maybe I can give you some tips. I would love that little check-in, so please do that. The meal plan, I am going to send like a quick prep idea for Sunday, but there's really not too much. What I want to say about the meal plan is if there's anything when you're looking at the recipe that does not sound great to you, you can substitute anything from week 1 into day 8 through 10. I want you to look forward to a meal. I want you to be excited. So you can play around with any of the recipes from these 10 days, okay? I wanted to mention breakfast. Breakfast mainly Monday and Tuesday. The easy egg muffins and the pineapple blueberry smoothie, neither of those alone are going to satisfy you until lunch. So you need to have something with them. And I gave you some examples like some avocado, which is fat, with your easy egg muffins. I will do avocado slices, or I'll do my Costco guacamole cups and some salsa a lot of times, or hot sauce. And then the pineapple blueberry smoothie, it's 2 hard-boiled eggs. I don't think 1 will be enough. 2, you could even do maybe a thumb size of like probably about 7 almonds you could even eat with that, just to satisfy you so you're not craving anything before lunch and then you overeat lunch. So just know you need to add something to those. You can even do a side of sausage, some sugar-free sausage, or some nitrate-free sugar-free bacon. Whatever works for you, you're going to need something more. Like I said, I'll put a meal prep sheet together, but I think the 3 dinners especially are very tasty, and they could be really good meals for your rotation going forward, so I hope you try those. If you don't like shrimp, you could use chicken. You could use beef even for that recipe, just so you know. Really, the protein, almost in any recipe, you can switch out however you like, so don't get caught on that. And hey, lunch, the salads, I know they're the same salad. This is a 10-day challenge. I wanted to keep it simple. These salads are so are so rich in nutrients and vitamins and minerals. So please keep them simple. The dressing is still lemon and olive oil. 3 more days, you can do it. It's so good for you. Now you know how to make it. Whip it up quickly. No excuses. It's so good. That green apple or Honeycrisp apple, whatever, kind of apple you're using, adds a nice sweetness to it. It's just so good. Just fight through it. Get it in, because it's so good for you. Okay? All right. I'm going to do that meal prep sheet. The next thing was your challenge meal out. I just wanted to suggest this to you. You do not have to listen to me, but if you're not going to listen to me, I'd rather you not eat out during this 10-day challenge. I really want you to, the only way you're going to heal your body, so to speak, from inflammation from all those junky foods is to be consistent. So if you're not going to follow this, try to stay in and make a meal in from our 10-day meals. Pick a meal and make it. But if you're going to go out, my challenge to you is drink lemon water. Bring your own salad dressing if you're going to get a salad, which is the lemon, fresh squeezed lemon and olive oil. Put it in something that you can take to the restaurant with you. And no appetizers or bread bowls, no dessert, and no alcohol. So let's say you go, I'm just going to give you 3 examples, about 3 examples, but you get a burger without a bun. Don't even let them put the bun on the plate. No fries. The only way I would say yes to fries is if they make their fries in coconut oil or avocado oil, which I'm guessing they don't, but maybe you're going to a special place. Basically, a burger patty with a salad, a burger patty with veggies, or any kind of protein, a chicken breast, chicken thighs, a steak, fish, just either a salad or veggies, okay? You might have to talk to the server a little bit, but that's okay. Usually they're getting used to people asking them a lot of questions. Remember, no gluten, so be very conscious of that. I know when you go out, that's maybe a little bit hard, but just think of gluten as bread and just make sure you definitely stay away from that. let's see, if I love Chipotle. What I do at Chipotle, this would be okay, is a salad bowl with a protein, salsa, or any veggies that they have, salsa, and a little bit of guacamole and water. Good to go. And I love that. I love their meat so much. But that's when you're on the go. If you could stop at a Chipotle, that would be awesome. Or any burger joint that you can just eat a burger patty and a lettuce leaf. Those are great. And this is just for our challenge, you guys. Usually in my challenges, you have a free meal. This challenge is a little bit more restrictive. So just one weekend, try to do this, because I know I always have a plan of attack, but then I fold a lot of times when I get to the restaurant and I see what everybody else is ordering. I just fold and I get so mad at myself. This time you're choosing health and you're going to eat that food. You're not going to be bloated. You're going to be happy you went out, and you're just going to be really proud of yourself. You chose health, and that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Let me jump to a personal story really quick and I'm done. So today I woke up not feeling well, and it's because I'm not sleeping very well. This week has been very tough for me stress-wise. I carry a lot of stress. I carry a lot of worry, and that's what I'm always going to deal with. It's just who I sadly am on the inside, and I know a lot of things that help me, but I'm so busy I'm not making time for them. Sound familiar with anything in your life? So I'm not perfect, guys. I struggle too. There are a lot of pieces of the health puzzle, and your body is striving for homeostasis. But even if one piece is messed up, you might struggle a lot. Well, guess what? I am, but I've been eating great this week. I do have cravings, and I know it's because I'm stressed, and that's been a little bit difficult, but I have stuck to the plan. I'm hydrating and I'm moving my body. Not as well as I'd like to, but I'm definitely moving every day and getting my exercise in. So really, stress and sleep are really affecting me because I don't feel that great. And it's just, they're really important pieces of the puzzle. And I just wanted to encourage you guys who are wishing you felt better. It's only been 5 days, remember, so you got to give yourself more time, but you're wishing you felt a little bit better. Look at your stress, look at your sleep. There are other elements of health that could be going on inside of you. Food does not fix everything. I believe it is medicine, but we have to touch on all the other possibilities of our health that could be causing us to not feel our optimal best. So I just wanted to say that. I want to be a relatable coach and leader. I'm going to constantly struggle with this. I need to take my own advice. It's easy for me to meal prep on Sunday. It's easy for me to do a lot with food, but I don't prepare and prep for stress relief. And, I know better. I know better. So I'm human too. And I just wanted to encourage you, if you're a little frustrated, to look at other areas of health. And if you have any insight on that, I'd love for you to email me too, okay? So hang in there. We need more patience. You guys, we need more patience. 10 days is not long enough. If I was in a different place in my life right now, this would be a 21-day program. I just don't have time with school. That's part of my stress, is I'm really behind in school. Not to mention my 11-year-old who is a girl, and a lot of things are changing at 11, and it's friendships and craziness, and oh my gosh, it's very stressful, and I worry a lot. So just know that you need more time. You need more time. If I wish you would give me 3 months of working together. Really, seriously, I mean that. If you keep jumping from diet to diet, you guys, you're never giving your body time to adjust, and it's just really confused, and diets don't work, right? So I guess what I'm trying to say is be patient with your body. We've only had 5 days on this challenge. You probably need to go longer than 10 days even. And so you're going to have to, I want you to think ahead of what are some things that you want to keep going, keep the momentum going, so you can hopefully find that level of energy and vitality that you're looking for. You're on the right path. So stick with it. I'm here to help, okay? All right. Right now, I should probably go take a Epsom salt bath, but actually I think I'm going to take a nap. So you guys take care, and I'm here for questions, and look for my meal prep guide, okay, for Sunday. Alrighty. Bye-bye.